Good morning, everyone. This is Kiran Malche. So I had just woken up now, and it is around 8 past 50. So today I have a lot of work to do. So for that I decided I should shoot a blog also. That you will also get some ideas that how we can make the small sentences in English at our home, how we can practice English at our home. So enjoy the blog and stay tuned with us for more interesting videos. So guys, you can see how much stuff is there. This is the office table, office chair, ring light, and some clothes and chair.
Guys, I wanted to shoot the vlog and this ring light is not working. Yeah, let's see what happened. Finally it is working with this socket. So guys, at the first I would like to clean this area with the help of this broom. So guys, now let me keep all my clothes for drying. So guys, now I wanted to bring out water from this tank with the help of this bucket. Now I wanted to repair this fan which is not working properly. Guys, I'm keeping the stuff, but now I'm confused at how much time it will take. That means look at this. Look at this guys, now I have to set this all the stuff. So guys, I am feeling too much hungry now. So first of all I will have some food and then I will complete the work. So guys, I have came back and now it is time of work. So let's see what happened. So guys, finally I have kept all the stuff on their proper place and now I want to fix these also. So guys, I'm keeping the office stuff properly that I can get the things on time. So guys, I have also kept the office stuff properly and now it is time to keep them.
So guys, my work is not completed yet because I wanted to clean this all chairs also, and after that also I have some work, so keep watching the video. So guys, I have also completed my this work and now it is time to move towards the next work. So guys, now I am just completing my final work, which is just rubbing the room with the help of this mop. So stay tuned with us. So guys, thank you for staying till the end of the video. With this, I'm going to stop this video here. If you have any kind of doubt related with the video or related with the English, then you can ask me in the comment box, and also subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.